Do you have sunken concrete? Trip hazards? Cooling water? Is water leaking into your foundation from concrete sloping towards your home or business? Pump it up! Irwin Concrete Leveling pumps up concrete for residential, commercial, and industrial. We can help. Lift and stabilize your concrete, sidewalks, driveways, pool decks, patios, garage slabs, fill voids. Don't replace concrete, it's messy and expensive. Irwin Concrete Leveling will lift and stabilize your concrete, saving you money. Concrete leveling is a cost-effective solution. Takes traffic quickly, soon after completion. No mess. Free estimates. Insured. 30 years experience. Irwin Concrete Leveling serves Southeastern Michigan and Northwest Ohio. Not sure if you're in our territory? Visit irwinconcreteleveling.com. Irwin Concrete Leveling. Pump it up. Call now 419-304-4161 or visit us on Facebook, YouTube, or at irwinconcreteleveling.com. Bump up your concrete with Irwin Concrete Leveling. Call now 419-304-4161.